RCAT stock has come off the lows of $4.97, and it's up 2.12% in the pre-market session of today, the 17th of April, trading at $5.29. On its 4-hour chart here on Trading View, there is an indication that the the downward plunge is in full swing. Is in full swing. But if you have a look at its daily chart, you also find that it's indicating something else. Um, on its daily chart, it's indicating that the plunge, yes, it's indicating that downward acceleration is slowing down. Is slowing down. We have positive derivative figures. They're all slowing down. Here also we can see this could be the reason, amongst other things, because it's indicating that by Monday 28th we are going to see a bottom May print for its 10-day moving average at $5.54, and after that we may see a spike all the way towards $7.87, and at around that time the stock might even begin to contract the expansion that may arise. It's projecting that that the expansion may begin. A bottom might print on the 28th, and then by the 29th to begin to spike all the way towards Friday the 16th of May. Okay, so we had really ambitious upper projections. As a matter of fact, one of them is actually around 7.87. And we have this 7.87 for the peak of its 10-day moving average. Okay, yeah, if you like, a convergence there. And then we had 9.13. 9.13, these have they printed? Yes, those prices have printed 9.13, 10.40. The probability of it printing 7.87, let's see, 7.87 will be somewhere around here. 7.87, yeah, somewhere around here. Let's see, somewhere around here. Yeah, somewhere around here. So the probability of that printing looks handy, because we are looking at a moving averages of 9.27 for its 10-day moving average, 9.19 for its 21-day moving average, 10.21 for its 40-day moving average, but okay, 4.58 for its 200 period moving average. So in the very short term, that's the probability is there. The probability of it printing 7.87, as a matter of fact, is actually more than 50%. But do not rely on that. Do not bank on that. There's no guarantee that that will pan out. It's just a statistical fact. A statistical a statistical fact, if you like. It does not mean that it will be a reality. This is what is in place in terms of its statistics. And then moving on to 9.13. Let's see, 9.13 will be somewhere here. 9.13, somewhere around here. Yeah, like somewhere around here. 9.13. Yeah, somewhere around here. Yeah, 9.1. Okay, we have 9.12. So there as well, we have this is where the moving averages are. So there we also have a standard we have a moving average that is higher than the projection. We're looking at 9.13. We have here 9.81. So by the time you add that into your probability formula, then you would definitely obtain a probability that is more than 50%. So the other projection is 10.4. 10.4. Let's see, 10.4 is somewhere around here. Yeah, 10.4. Yeah, okay. Here in this case, the probability of it printing that is not up to 50%. It's not up to 50%. 10.4. Yeah, it's definitely going to be less than maybe even less than 30%. Yeah. So, but you don't need to rely on that. It's not reliable as such. For today's trading session, it's also projected that we might see some an improvement in momentum. Momentum is expected to have bottomed by today. By yesterday, the 16th, is expected to pick up today, but not so strong. Not so strong. It we see more strength coming in from the end of this coming week, from Thursday or thereabout, Thursday the 24th of April. To some extent, validating what is projected for its 10-day moving average. So just be really careful. Just know what you're doing. The company has been raising funds. Who knows if it spikes today, whether they're going to raise more funds again. Yeah, we have. It's quite to have a gain of 2.7% now in this pre-market session. Just be careful. I'll continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.